Panasonic Basic Operating Instructions Digital Wireless Stereo Earphones Model number RPNJ310B Bluetooth Panasonic Bluetooth. Now let's check in English. Safety precautions unit warning to reduce the risk of fire, electric shock or product damage. Do not expose this unit to rain, moisture, dripping or splashing. Do not place objects filled with liquids such as vases on this unit. Use the recommended accessories. Do not remove covers. Do not repair this unit by yourself. Refer servicing to qualified service personnel. Avoid the use in the following conditions: high or low extreme temperatures during use, storage or transportation, disposal of a battery into fire or a hot oven, or mechanically crushing or cutting of a battery that can result in an explosion, extremely high temperature and or extremely low air pressure that can result in an explosion or the leakage of flammable liquid or gas. Avoid using or placing this unit near sources of heat. Do not listen with this unit at high volume in places where you need to hear sounds from the surrounding environment for safety, such as at railroad crossings and construction sites. Earpieces. Keep the earpieces out of reach of children to prevent swallowing. Securely attach the earpieces. If they are left in the ears after coming off, injury or sickness may be caused. Allergies. Discontinue use if you experience discomfort with the earphones or any other parts that directly contact your skin. Continued use may cause rashes or other allergic reactions. Precautions for listening with the earphones. Excessive sound pressure from earphones and headphones can cause hearing loss. Do not use your earphones at a high volume. Hearing experts advise against continuous extended play. If you experience a ringing in your ear, reduce volume or discontinue use. Do not use while operating a motorized vehicle. It may create a traffic hazard and is illegal in many areas. You should use extreme caution or temporarily discontinue use in potentially hazardous situations. This unit may receive radio interference caused by mobile telephones during use. If such interference occurs, please increase separation between this unit and the mobile telephone. Use only the supplied USB charging cord when connecting to a computer. This unit is intended for use in moderate and tropical climates. स्पेसिफिकेशंस देख लेते हैं. जनरल पावर सप्लाई DC 5 वोल्ट और 0.7 वाट. इंटरनल बैटरी 3.7 वोल्ट ली पॉलीमर 110 mAh. Operating time is approx 6 hours. Charging time 25 degrees Celsius approx 2 hours. Charging temperature range is 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Operating temperature range is 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity range is 35% RH to 80% RH. No condensation. Mass approx 14 grams. Bluetooth action. Bluetooth section. Frequency band 2402 MHz to 2480 MHz. Supported profiles A2DP, AVR-CP, HSP, HFP. Supported codec SBC. It may be shorter depending on the operating conditions. The time required to change the battery from empty to full. The specifications are subject to change without notice. Troubleshooting. Before requesting service, make the following checks. If you are in doubt about some of the checkpoints or if the remedies indicated do not solve the problem, consult your dealer for instructions. No sound. Make sure that the unit and the Bluetooth device are connected correctly. Check if music is playing on the Bluetooth device. Make sure that the unit is turned on and the volume is not set too low. Pair and connect the Bluetooth device and the unit again. Check if the Bluetooth compatible device supports A2DP profile. For details on profile, see listening to music and operating instructions in PDF format. Also refer to the operating manual for the Bluetooth compatible device. Low volume. Increase the volume of the unit. Increase the volume on the Bluetooth device. Sound from the device is cut off or too much noise or sound quality is bad. Sound may be disrupted if signals are blocked. Do not fully cover this unit with the palm of your hand, etc. The device may be out of the 10 communication range. Move the device closer to this unit. Remove any obstacle between this unit and the device. Switch off any wireless LAN device when not in use. The device cannot be connected. Delete the pairing information for this unit from the Bluetooth device, then pair them again. You cannot hear the other person. Make sure that the unit and the Bluetooth enabled phone are turned on. Check if the unit and the Bluetooth enabled phone are connected. Check the audio settings of the Bluetooth enabled phone. Switch the calling device to the unit if it is set to the Bluetooth enabled phone. If the volume of the other person's voice is too low, increase the volume of both the unit and the Bluetooth enabled phone. Cannot make a phone call. Check if the Bluetooth compatible device supports HSP or HFP profile. For details on profiles, see listening to music and making a phone call in operating instructions PDF format. Also refer to the operating manual for the Bluetooth enabled phone. The unit doesn't respond. This unit can be reset when all operations are rejected. To reset the unit, press and hold for 10 seconds or more. The pairing device information will not be deleted. Cannot charge the unit. If the USB port you are currently using working properly, if your computer has other USB ports, unplug the connector from its current port and plug it into one of the other ports. If the measures mentioned above are not applicable, unplug the USB charging cord and plug it in again. If the charge time and operating time become shortened, the battery may have run down. Number of charging times of the installed battery approximately 300. LED doesn't light during charging. Charging takes longer. If the USB charging cord connected firmly to the USB terminal of the computer. Refer page B. Make sure to charge in a room temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. The power doesn't turn on. Is the unit being charged? The power cannot be turned on during charging. Refer page B. The audio guidance language has changed. The audio guidance language can be switched. Press and hold and minus for at least 5 seconds. It is possible to switch the audio guidance between English and the French. Rest they are mentioning it's in Japanese. Now see the diagram. The Bluetooth device of Panasonic. Okay. Bluetooth device. Okay, for that you have to on the Bluetooth. English. Close the USB lid securely. Don't touch the charging terminal with wet hand. If set or liquid is attached to the charging terminal, malfunction may occur. The Bluetooth word mark and logos are registered trademarks owned by the Bluetooth SIG Inc. and any use of such marks by Panasonic Corporation is under license. Other trademarks and trade names are those of their respective owners. Siri is a trademark of Apple Inc. registered in the US and other countries. QR code is a registered trademark of Denso Wave Incorporated. Other system names and product names appearing in this document are in general the registered trademarks or trademarks of the respective developer companies. Note that the TM mark and this mark do not appear in this document. Part names: left earphone, right earphone, remote controller C. Okay, left earphone and right earphone, and the remote controller is the C1. Okay, one is the earpiece, two is the battery case, three is the raised dot indicating the left side, fourth LED indicator light, okay, fifth microphone, six USB light, seven charging terminal DCIN, eight plus button, 9 this button minus this 10 button, hereafter referred to as LED. Charging. The rechargeable battery installed in the unit is not charged initially. Charge the battery before using the unit. Open the USB lid. If there is moisture in the USB lid area, wipe it off before opening the lid. Connect this unit to a computer using the USB charging cord supplied. The LED lights in red when charging is in progress. When charging is completed, the LED will go out. It takes approx 2 hours to charge the battery from empty to full. Check the direction of the terminals and plug in or out straight holding onto the plug. It may result in malfunction by the deforming of the terminal if it is plugged in obliquely or in wrong direction. It is not possible to turn the power on or connect to Bluetooth devices during charging. Make sure the computer is turned on and is not on standby or sleep mode. Do not use any other USB charging cords except the supplied one. When the battery starts running low during use of the unit, the blinking LED will turn from the blue to red. A beep will sound every 1 minute. When the battery runs out, an English guidance message will be heard and the power will turn off. Turning the power on or off. Press and hold of this unit for approx 3 seconds until the LED blue blinks. A beep will sound and the LED blue will blink slowly. To turn the power off, press and hold for approximately 3 seconds. An English guidance message will be heard and the power will be turned off. If the unit is not connected to a Bluetooth device, an English guidance message will be heard and turn off the unit automatically approximately 5 minutes after you have stopped using it. Auto power off. Connecting a Bluetooth device. Bluetooth pairing. In the power off state, press and hold of this unit until the LED blinks. When pairing a device for the first time, approx 3 seconds. When pairing a second or subsequent devices, approx 5 seconds. The unit starts to search for the Bluetooth device for connection and the LED will blink in blue and red alternatively. Turn on the power of the Bluetooth device and enable the Bluetooth function. Select RPNJ310B from the Bluetooth device menu. If prompted for a passkey, input the passkey 4 zeros of this unit. When the LED blue blinks twice every approx 2 seconds, pairing registration is completed, connection established. If connection to a device is not established within approximately 5 minutes, the unit will be turned off. Perform pairing again. Connecting a paired Bluetooth device. Turn on this unit. Perform steps 2 and 3 of Bluetooth pairing. When the LED blue blinks twice every approx 2 seconds, pairing or registration is completed. Connection established. Using the earphones. When using the functions below that are indicated with the Bluetooth mark, connect the Bluetooth device and the unit. Listening to music. Select and play the music on the Bluetooth device. The unit's earphones will output the music or the audio of the video being played back. Remote controlling or available only if your Bluetooth device supports AV/RCP Bluetooth profiles. Operations example: play or pause, press this. Increase the volume, press plus. Decrease the volume, press minus. Forward to the start of the next track. Press and hold plus for approximately 2 seconds. Return to the start of current track, press and hold minus for approximately 2 seconds. The volume can be adjusted in 16 levels. When the maximum or minimum volume is reached, a beep will sound. Making a phone call. Press this on the unit and answer the incoming call. HFP only. To reject the incoming call, press this twice quickly. Start talking. Press this to end up the phone call. HFP only. It may be difficult to hear phone conversations when the unit is used in locations with loud ambient noise or in outdoor or other locations exposed to powerful winds. In that case, change the calling location or switch the calling device to the Bluetooth enabled phone to continue the call. Press this on the unit twice quickly to switch. You can have the Bluetooth enabled phone make phone calls by using the microphone to the unit and an app of the Bluetooth enabled phone. Below activating voice functions. Activating voice functions. Bluetooth. You can activate Siri or other voice functions with a button on the unit. Press this of this unit twice quickly. Restoring to the factory settings. Charge the battery before restoring the unit. While the unit is turned off, press and hold for at least 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking alternately in blue and red. While the LED is blinking alternately in blue and red, press and hold plus and minus at the same time for at least 5 seconds. The default settings will be restored after the LED blue blinks past and the until turns off. When pairing a device again, delete the registering information device RPNJ310P from the Bluetooth device menu and register this unit with the Bluetooth device again. Maintenance.